Hello everyone, this is part 4 student registration form. In this session we learn how we can save registration data to the database. So open Visual Studio. In the previous video we have done up to how we can store the data from database and how we can retrieve the data to the database drop-down list. So right now we'll save the data from registration page to the database. So we can again make a new function, public void name of the function save data. Database entities db equal new database entities. So we can open the database table. So columns will be visible. We can easily save the data to the database table. Use the design view. EBL student S equal S dot. From the drop-down list, we'll save the data to the database table. The first is drop-down list. The name of the drop-down list is drop-down list 4. We have saved the course name and ID in this drop-down list from the database. In this function we have done already. So S dot course name equal drop down list 4 dot selected item dot text. Okay, so only text data from the drop down list will be saved in the database table, and then the ID of the course we can also store into the database table. S dot course ID. The data type for this course ID of the column is integer, so we'll convert into integer. Okay. So drop down list 4 dot selected value. We're going to select the ID. Yeah. So that's the ID in the drop-down list as a text value. So we're going to convert into integer. Convert dot to int 32. So ID will be stored into the database column. Now next is session. Again we'll do with the session same. S dot session name S dot session equal drop down list 5 dot selected item dot text. S dot session ID equal convert dot to 32 drop down list 5 dot selected value Okay, so after that we'll save the title S dot title equal drop down list to dot selected item dot text, and from the text box s dot the student name, std name equal text box 1 dot text. So this value we are going to get from the text box 1, that's the ID of the text box 1. Then again a drop down list s dot gender equal the name of the drop down list is 1 dot selected item dot text. The DOB s dot DOB equal text box 2 dot text dot so we'll convert this to date, convert dot to date and time or date, so whatever the date will be in the text box 2 will be converted into date and time and will be stored into the column. Then parent's name s dot parent's name equal text box 3 dot text. Then address s dot address equal name of the text box 4, ID of the text box dot text. The next is email s dot email equal text box 5 dot text, s dot nationality equal text box 6, sorry, it's a drop down list, so we can get the data from the drop down list. Drop down list 3 dot selected item dot text, and last is mobile number s dot mobile number equal text box 6, text box 6 dot text. So okay, we will add some value in the drop down list. Nationality the first we can give here USA. The first we can give the title as select nationality USA, Canada, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Philippines. Alright, so this function will call in the event handler of the button. Double click on this button, call this function here, and then change the text property of the button to save data. So we can check before saving the data. Show table data, nothing in the table. So go back to the page, open view the page in browser. So we will select the name of the course, session 2024, title, Mr. name Abdul Aziz, gender male. So we can select the date value, parents name Abdul Khalik, address UAE, email aziz@gmail.com, nationality, mobile number, any we can give, and then save the data. Now data is safe. So after that we'll apply a refresh page event. Check the show table data. So let me check what happened. Data is not safe. The code is incomplete. We will complete the code first. So db.tbl .add will add this object. Name of the object is s. db.save changes, response dot redirect, name of the page, the page name is registration. So we'll give the reference number of the folder. We'll give here tilde slash, name of the folder, then name of the page and extension. View in browser, course name, session, title, Abdul Aziz, gender. So while doing coding, there will be a lot of errors might be happen. So we'll do the debugging. We can select the option from here. So any we can select. Parents name, address, email, nationality, mobile number. So data is safe. We can check data in the database table. Show table data. The data is stored into the database table. So all date of birth values and rest of the data, the IDs of the course and session from the drop-down list. Session name, and along with that the date of birth. So you can check the date of birth is also stored in the database table. In the next video we'll store the picture and browse the picture. How we can do that, we'll do this coding in the next video. Thanks for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.